How to install your Colorex Plus EC floor. What do we need? Cutter, carpenter's square, hacksaw, laser, hammer, pencil, folding ruler, gloves. Further information is available on the Forbo flooring site. Use the QR code on the product label to access. Check the materials for the same batch and color number to avoid color differences. Also, check if the right quantity is received. The batch number is clearly marked on the material packaging and must be checked before commencement of installation. General advice: the laying area should be at a steady temperature of minimum 18 degrees Celsius for 48 hours prior to, during, and for 24 hours after installation. Materials should be conditioned in the same environment for at least 24 hours prior to the installation. Stack the Colorex Plus on the floor in piles of maximum 20 tiles. With the laser or the marker, define the orthogonal directions. Begin laying tiles at the starting point. Use the hammer to connect the tiles firmly. Apply the undercove profile along the walls. Fasten the earth connection, applying the copper tape under the tiles. Use enough length according to the installation instructions. Measure the space to the wall, transferring the measurement to the tile before cutting it. Cut the tiles using the hacksaw. Lay remaining tiles to complete the installation. What do we need for coving? Folding ruler, laser, wall marker, contact glue. Apply the contact glue on the undercove and on corners. Install first the corners. Then apply the coving system on the undercove. Using the cutter, trim coving and in corners. What do we need for welding? Electric cutter, manual cutter, automatic welder, Mozart knife, manual welder. Groove all the tiles using the milling cutter. Groove manually on the walls between corners and coving system. Weld the tiles using the automatic welding machine. Weld manually on the walls between corners and coving system. Ramps are available to facilitate the access. Connect them to the floor using adhesive tape in the inferior part, then secure them with a welding rod. The complete installation should be cleared of scrap material and debris, the floor swept or vacuumed, and any traces of adhesive residues removed. Now the floor is ready to be used.